Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 38 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some examples from exercise 1.4, question number 3. Fine. If x is equal to 2 cos raised to 4 t plus 3, y is equal to 3 sin raised to 4 t plus 3. Show that dy dx is equal to minus root 3y upon 2x. Solution: x is equal to cos t plus 3 raised to 4. Differentiate with respect to t. Dx dt is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8 cos cube t plus 3 minus derivative of what this sign minus sin t plus 3 into derivative of this 1 is equal to minus 8 cos cube t plus 3 sin t plus 3. So y is equal to 3 sin t plus 3 raised to 4. Differentiate with respect to t. Dy dt is equal to 12 sin cube t plus 3 cos t plus 3 into 1 and is equal to 12 sin cube t plus 3 into cos t plus 3, and therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to 12 sin cube t plus 3 cos t plus 3 upon 8 minus 8 upon minus 8 cos cube t plus 3 into sin t plus 3. Simplify. So is equal to 12 upon minus 8 sin square t plus 3 cos square t plus 3 and is equal to minus 3 upon 2 sin square t plus 3 upon cos square t plus 3. Now x upon 2 is equal to cos t plus 3 raised to 4 and y upon 3 is equal to sin t plus 3 raised to 4, and therefore root x upon root 2. Okay, here I take square root is equal to cos square t plus 3, and here also I take square root y upon root 3 is equal to sin square t plus 3, and these values you substitute here. So therefore dy dx is equal to 3 minus 3 into root y upon root 3 upon 2 into root x upon root 2. Simplify. Is equal to minus root 3 root y upon root 2 root x, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 3 minus root 3y upon root 2x and is equal to minus root 3y upon 2x. Question number 6. If x is equal to log 1 plus t square and y is equal to t minus t tan inverse t, then show that dy dx is equal to root e raised to x minus 1 upon 2. Solution: x is equal to log 1 plus t square. Differentiate with respect to t. Dx dt is equal to derivative of log 1 upon 1 plus t square, and derivative of this is equal to 2t, and hence dx dt is equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square. Similarly, y is equal to t minus tan inverse t. Differentiate with respect to t. Dy dt is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. If you simplify this, you will get this. Equalize the denominator 1 plus t square, multiply by this here and minus 1. So 1 plus t square minus 1 upon 1 plus t square. Simplify, you will get t square upon 1 plus t square. So therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to t square upon 1 plus t square into 1 plus t square upon 2t. Simplify this and this get cancelled. 1t is cancelled with this t. So this is 1 upon 2t. And now x is equal to log 1 plus t square, and therefore e raised to x and e raised to x is equal to 1 plus t square. So therefore t square is equal to e raised to x minus 1, and t is equal to root e raised to x minus 1. And now this you substitute here. So it is equal to dy dx is equal to this e raised to root e raised to x minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Question number 7. If x is equal to sine inverse e raised to t, y is equal to root 1 minus e raised to 2t, show that sine x plus dy dx is equal to 0. Solution: x is equal to sine inverse e raised to t, differentiate with respect to t. Dx dt is equal to derivative of sine inverse is 1 upon the root 1 minus e raised to t square, and derivative of what? This et. Okay. So here e raised to t upon root 1 minus e raised to 2t. Similarly, y is equal to root 1 minus e raised to 2t, differentiate with respect to t. Dy dt is equal to 1 upon 2 root 1 minus e raised to 2t minus e raised to 2t into 2. Okay, this here 2 is there. Remember this, here e raised to t and here e raised to 2t is there. So this 2 is what? Derivative of 2t. And if you simplify this, you will get dy dt is equal to minus e raised to 2t upon root 1 minus e raised to 2t. And therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to minus e raised to 2t upon root 1 minus e raised to 2t into root 1 minus e raised to 2t upon e raised to t. Simplify this, you will have minus e raised to t into root 1 minus e raised to t, and this I simplified. Okay. Now therefore dy dx is equal to e raised to this and this get cancelled. Okay. So dy dx is equal to minus e raised to t, but x is equal to sine inverse et, and therefore sine x is equal to e raised to t, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus sine x is equal to sine x plus dy dx is equal to 0. So here you concentrate how I simplify. Okay, go through this again so that you will understand. Okay. Question number 8. If x is equal to 2bt upon 1 plus t square and y is equal to a into bracket 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, show that dy dx is equal to minus b square y upon a square x, or is equal to dx. So this is not dy dx, dx dy. Okay, in this example, show that what? Not dy dx, show that dx dy is equal to. Okay, so this is slightly different thing. Solution: x is equal to 2bt upon 1 plus t square, differentiate with respect to t. Dx dt is equal to 2b 2b d dt t upon 1 plus t square. So here u upon v. So 2b into bracket 1 plus t square into derivative of this t is equal to 1 minus t into derivative of this 0 plus 2t upon 1 plus t square square. So therefore dx dt is equal to 2b into bracket 1 plus t square minus 2t square upon 1 plus t square square is equal to 2b. So this is equal to 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square square. Statement number 1. Y is equal to a upon 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square differentiate with respect to t dy dt is equal to a into bracket 1 plus t square into derivative of this minus 2t minus 1 minus t square derivative of this 2t upon 1 plus t square square. A is so therefore dy dt is equal to a into bracket minus 2t minus 2t cube minus 2t plus 2t cube upon 1 plus t square square is equal to, here this and this get cancelled. This 2t minus 2t minus 2t is 4 2t a minus 4t upon 1 plus t square square. So suppose this is statement number 2, and therefore dy dx is equal to dy dt upon dx dt is equal to minus 4 upon minus 4 at upon 1 plus t square square into 1 plus t square square upon 2b into bracket 1 minus t square. This and this get cancelled. So minus 4 at upon 2b into bracket 1 minus t square, and but t is equal to x into bracket 1 plus t square upon 2b, and 1 minus t square is equal to y into 1 plus t square upon a, and now this you substitute. So therefore dy dx is equal to minus 4a into t is equal to x into bracket 1 plus t square upon 2b into a upon 2b y into 1 plus t square. Again you simplify this and this get cancelled. So simplify, this is equal to a square x upon b square y, and therefore dx dy is equal to, so this is dy dx, and therefore dx dy is equal to reciprocal of this minus b square upon y a square x. Okay, so I first find dy dx and then I find dx dy taking simply reciprocal. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.